Hey guys, this is my new drone. This is the Hs430. This was my first drone that I got. The unboxing is very quick and everything is inside the box. Unfortunately, Holy Stone does not provide a carry bag for the drone. If you want to go out with the drone, you need to have your own bag in order to carry the drone and the batteries. Here's the drone itself, the Hs430. You can see it is relatively very small. This is an entry-level drone and it is going to provide you all the experience that you need if you ever want to purchase another drone that is bigger, more powerful and more durable. In the box they also provide you everything that you need for the maintenance of the drone, and they did provide some protection for the propellers, and also they provided a set of propellers if you ever broke the one that are on the drone. So this piece of paper is very important. This one has everything that you need in order to fly your drone, and until you master the controller you need to carry this paper with you. This is the controller for the Hs430 and it has a slot where you can put your smartphone, and it has the extension if you have a bigger smartphone. You can fly the drone without a smartphone, but if you have a smartphone you can have access to the camera of the drone and see what the drone is seeing. The controller is sturdy and lightweight. They did provide batteries for the drone, but there is no battery for the controller. To unfold the motors, you need to unfold the motors at the front of the drone first, and after that you can unfold the one at the back of the drone. So everything is ready, the motors have been unfolded, the drone is ready for takeoff. The only thing left to do is to insert a battery and turn the drone on. The good thing with the Hs430 is that it comes with two batteries that should give you at least 40 minutes of flight time. To turn the drone on, you need to long press the power button on the drone. The Hs430 has an LED light indicator on the front, which is going to change if you connect the controller. After powering the controller, you need to press the joystick on the left up and down. It is going to connect to the drone. For the rest of the setup, look at the white paper that was on the controller. To get access to the camera on the drone, you need the Holy Stone application and connect it to the Holy Stone Wi-Fi that is coming from the drone. I think I did good. First flight, it is always difficult.